Get acquainted with the 2016 Buick Cascada. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. The Buick Cascada, the refined and luxurious convertible that meets your demands for driving pleasure as well as safety. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, power passenger seat, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers. Isn't it time you lived a little? Help yourself to a slice of fun. Drive the Cascada.